Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix your microphone which is not working on your iPhone. If your microphone is not working on any app, you desired app or anything, what you need to do is firstly check out that if your cover here is stopping the microphone from here, or the dust particles are not allowing to receive what you are talking about. Another way to test this, just go to the utilities section here and tap on voice memo and record some voice over here and check if your microphone is working or not. Another way we can do here to fix this issue, go to settings, and after going to settings you need to scroll down and you need to find privacy and security option here. Just tap on this. After going to the privacy and security option, you need to find the microphone option. In this, just tap, scroll down, and as you can see that there is a microphone option here. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, all the application will come up on which you can use your microphone on. If any application which you desire to use your microphone on is not available in this area, what you need to do is go and delete that app. For example, anything like this, you just need to double tap over it, remove the app and reinstall that app. So that's how you can fix your microphone issue over this thing. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this might have liked, and if it sorted your problem, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.